I was using the planer the other day. The blades were dull, and this is a reversible blade, but I thought I'd experiment trying to sharpen it. So I'm using the American Sharpener, which is made for lawnmower blades, and I thought maybe it would be a good jig for a planer blade as well. So what I did is I screwed it into just a scrap piece of wood, and I'm gonna try sharpening it with this, and then we'll see how it works. That the blades seem to be set at, they seem to be at right between 35 and 40. So I'll call it 37.5 degrees. Not sure. But right now they are extremely sharp. I'm going to work on it a little bit more. I see that the center of this blade ended up being duller than the edges. So I'll work on it more, and then I'll come back and show you how it works. Alright, this is a rough sawn piece of cedar, just from cedar fencing. You can see, we'll see how this goes.
And now he's living the life for Riley.